In this video, I will show you how to fix expired and unlicensed Adobe Photoshop error on MacBook. Go to your Finder, go to the Applications tab, open Adobe Photoshop. Here you will see Adobe Photoshop app. Right-click on it and select Show Package Contents. Open the Contents folder. Now go to Plugin. Go to Required. Open the Extensions folder. Select these two extensions and delete them. Restart your Mac. If the previous method does not work for you, try this method. Go to Macintosh HD. Open the Library folder. Then open the Application Support folder. Open the Adobe folder. Remove the Adobe GC Client folder. If you don't find the Adobe GC Client folder, then delete the Adobe folder. Restart your Mac.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.